I'm Diane, and I'm here to show you how to make chocolate turtle cookies. We're going to start by taking 1 stick or half a cup of softened butter till it's completely blended. Okay, what we want to do is add all of our wet ingredients first. So 2 tablespoons of milk, and we want an egg, and you want to separate the egg. You want to put in the egg yolk first and save so 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, ingredients. We're going to mix this up. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients. We're going to take 1/3 cup of cocoa, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of flour. No, I think we're going to mix this up a little bit first.
I'm going to have to mop the floor now.
Trying to get it moist so we can actually use the beater, the mixer. Okay, so we're going to scrape the bowl, get it mixed up really good. It's getting thick. And what you have to do is we have to put this in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Cover it with some parchment paper. I forgot to get the parchment paper down. Can you get it up there?
why not saran wrap?
It says parchment paper. Okay, so we refrigerated the dough for an hour. Now it's time to roll them into balls. What we'll do is, you want to make sure that you line your cookie sheet with parchment paper. Preheat your oven to 350, and we are going to take this, and we're just going to form balls. Well, I'm going to try to anyways. I need a bigger, harder spoon. You're just going to spoon this. I'm using this so that they'll all be the same size, or roughly the same size. You just want to roll them all up. What we're going to do is we're going to dip them in the pecans, but we're going to get them all rolled first.
So what kind of special spoon do you have there? I've never seen anything like that. Where'd you get that at?
I actually ordered it from my granddaughter's school. They were having some kind of fundraising.
Can viewers get that on Facebook?
I doubt it.
Amazon? You push the button
I'm sure you can find one like it.
on Amazon, and you push the button and they pop out.
It's not really a button.
If I find one, I'll put a link on there, guys.
Hmm. 12 o'clock, she's going to go up in there. That's crazy. People should be asleep at 12 o'clock.
What are you rubbing that in? Butter?
No, egg white. When we separated the egg. So this is what it looks like before it goes in the oven. We're going to put it in the oven on 350 for 10 to 12 minutes.